Hey guys, it's Mr. Schmidt here, and in this video, we're going to continue with topic 3.7, perfect competition. We're going to spend the last three videos in this unit looking at how to model or graph perfect competition. So we're going to start here with what I have on the screen. And you're going to notice first that we have two graphs side by side. And so the graph on the left represents the perfectly competitive market. And you're going to notice it looks just like the supply and demand graphs we've been drawing all along. And then we have a new graph to the right, which is the firm graph, representing one firm that competes in this market. And so the first thing another thing you're going to see is that we have the equilibrium price of $10. And what we're showing here with this dotted line is that the firm is taking that $10 price from the market. Remember in the last video, we said that the firm is a price taker. And so they have to take their price from the market. And so from that, we've drawn the demand curve for the firm. And you'll notice it's a horizontal line. Well, why is that? Well, remember, because the firm is a price taker, every single firm is going to charge this $10 price, which means that is the only price available to consumers, which means that's the only price they'll pay. So that's the demand curve. Now, we're going to go ahead and say this is also price, right? Because $10 is the price that the firm is going to charge, same as the market. And before we go any further, I want to look at this table for marginal revenue. So notice we got the quantities and then the prices. Again, $10 because they're a price taker. Total revenue is price times quantity, so you can kind of see that. And then marginal revenue is the difference. And notice that marginal revenue is always the same number. It's 10, which is also the same thing as the price. So we can go ahead and, add that here. And we see that demand, price, and marginal revenue are all the same thing. And so you need to make sure that you list all of these here as well. And then finally, we're going to go ahead and add in marginal cost to the Nike swoosh. And because we have marginal cost and marginal revenue, we can use the profit maximization rule that we learned in 3.5 to find the quantity this firm is going to sell, where the marginal cost curve and the marginal revenue curve intersect. That point represents the quantity the firm is going to produce. So it's very important that you can draw what I have on the screen here, and we're going to add to it in the next two videos. So make sure you practice drawing this stuff because you will get points on free response questions for simply being able to set up the graph before we do anything else with it. And so to do those more complicated things, we need to make sure we can draw the graph. So that's all for this video on modeling the firm's quantity in perfect competition. Until next time, have a great day.